Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Here I am Ahmad Gunawan and I am to be representing from Billfath University. In this time, I will explain about the carbon emission. So, what of the definition of the carbon emission? The carbon emission is the process of releasing carbon compounds into the Earth's atmosphere due to phenomena and events that occur in our life. So, what the causes of the carbon emission? For the first is fossil burning. As we know together, the fossil burning is our necessary, especially in economic for our country. The fossil burning will create the gas and gasoline or fuel to our vehicles. And the second one, from the manufacturer. Manufacturer will produce about the carbon emission because the head of the machine, it will appear the carbon emission, and it is very dangerous for human life, especially for our nature. The third, it comes from the transport. So the transport, it will appear the smoke, and the smoke will produce the carbon emission. The first thing is the electronic device. So the electronic device will be appear the carbon emission too. So it is really dangerous. We can see the data from the global carbon emission sources in 2020. The first come from electricity and heater. It will be produced around at 13% at the carbon emission. The second, it comes from industry. The industry, it will produce carbon emission in 8%. And come from the transport, it will produce at 6%. And come from the building, it will produce carbon emission at 3%. And the last from the others, like the smokes, our gadgets, and etc. So, this is the President Jokowi statement in Climate Change Conference in UK 2021. He said that Indonesia reduces carbon emission in 2030. So, it will to be the goals to SDGs or Sustainable Development Goals. The carbon emission impact, we have three impacts. For the first, from the environmental impact. The second one, it comes from health impact. The third, it comes from economic impact. And the next, how to reduce carbon emission? The first one, use energy efficiently. The second one, use public transportation. The third, reduce imported products. The fourth, reduce the use of gadgets. 5, plant a lot of trees. 6, use compost. The 7, consume fruit and vegetables. The last, number 8, use clean water efficiently. So, this is to be our obligation. We know together that carbon emission is very dangerous for human life and for the nature. We must to save our earth. It means we'll save our life. So, this is my explanation, and thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.